In this video, I'll show you how to fix an ACH transfer failed issue on Robinhood step by step. First, open the app and log into your account. Tap your profile icon in the bottom corner, then go to Transfers and open the failed transaction to check the reason for the failure. This gives you a clear idea of what went wrong. Next, check your bank account balance and make sure you have enough available funds, not just the total balance but what's actually available after any pending charges. If funds were low, add money to your bank account before trying again. After that, go to linked accounts and confirm your bank details are correct. If needed, remove the bank and add it again to refresh the connection. Now return to Transfer Money, select your bank, and try the ACH transfer again. Make sure your internet connection is stable while submitting the request. Also, avoid canceling transfers midway, as repeated failures can lead to temporary restrictions. If the issue continues, contact your bank to check for any blocks on ACH transactions. You can also go to the help section in the app and contact support for further assistance. Fixing this usually involves verifying your bank details and ensuring sufficient funds are available. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.